Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add into your Blogger blog preloader. It's something like background image with animation which will disappear only then page of your blog will load completely. So if you want to add it into your blog, open this page, link on it will be below this video in description. Go to your Blogger dashboard, choose Vim, open HTML editor. Now press on your keyboard Ctrl+F, copy this code and paste it in search window. Press enter. Now we need to paste before this tag with CSS code. Now second step, scroll this page down, copy body tag and paste it in search window. Press enter and paste after this tag with HTML code. Next step, find closing tag body. And before this tag we need to paste this JS code. Paste it here. Now save settings and check the result. Okay, we see that the widget works, but it doesn't disappear. So what we need to do in this case, open this page, copy from here with jQuery code and paste it before closing tag head. Save settings and try again. Okay, now it works great. Also, if you want that this widget works to all pages of your blog, because now it works only for home page and index pages. So find this HTML in your Vim and remove this code and this code. Save settings, and now this widget also works in post. Okay, also you can change main image. How you can do is, for example, I will choose this image, copy link for it, find CSS code of preloader and paste this link instead this link. Also write here as HTTPS. Now save settings and reload your page. As you can see, we have new image in preloader. If you want to increase size of image, then find background size in CSS code and change it, for example 115 and the same number. Reload your page. Okay, now it looks much better. So if you like this video, click on finger up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.